Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Bowling Green. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. Featuring an indoor pool, Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott Bowling Green is located in Bowling Green. This hotel offers a fitness center and free daily breakfast. Free Wi-Fi access is available. Each room at the hotel provides a flat-screen TV with cable and satellite channels, a desk, a microwave and a refrigerator. Private bathrooms come complete with a bath or shower, a hairdryer and free toiletries. Extras include ironing facilities and tea facilities. A 24-hour front desk welcomes guests to Bowling Green's Fairfield Inn Suites, which features an on-site convenience store. Other amenities offered at the hotel include dry cleaning and laundry facilities. The property offers free parking. The hotel is 1.8 miles from Sloan Convention Center, 1.8 miles from CrossWinds Golf Course and 2.5 miles from Paul Walker Golf Course. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.